Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Moneymaker 001. If you are new to this channel, then do press the subscribe button because I post content every single day on this channel. So I post content about make money online, affiliate marketing, as well as online business. So if you are interested in this type of stuff and this type of topic, then this is the channel for you. Just press the subscribe button so that you may start getting commissions. Okay, so I'll be teaching you how you will earn $100 a day today using affiliate marketing. It will be a live tutorial. Everything will be told to you how to do it, how not to do it, and I will be showing you a proper step by step strategy how you will make money online. So do stick to this video until the end so that you understand each and everything and don't get stuck in the middle, because it is very important for me that you don't get stuck. Okay, so first of all we will be going to this website which is known as Clickbank. Okay, go to Clickbank. If you don't have an account, just make an account. Okay, go to the marketplace. After you make an account, you may go to a marketplace. Okay, and then you just have to go here and click here one of the category. Okay, so we will be going for e-business and e-marketing. Okay, so we just clicked on this category. So here you can see a product which is called super affiliate system. Okay, this is a product which is a great product. This converts very well. It has a gravity of 50, and if you just make one sale of this product, you receive a commission of $499. Yeah, that's real, just one sale. So if you promote other products like this, for example this product, if you promote this, you have to do the same amount of work and you receive a very less commission. Okay, for example, if you have to send 1000 clicks to this product and you just receive a commission of $54, but if you send 1000 clicks to this product and you get a sale, you receive $499. So you can understand the difference why you should promote a high ticket offer and not a low ticket offer of Clickbank. Okay, so this is one of the product which we are going to promote. To promote this, we just have to click on the link. Just go here, promote and generate hop link. Okay, we generated our affiliate link from here. Just we have to copy this link, but this link really looks ugly and it's not at all good looking. Okay, no one would like to click on this link. So what we will do is we will go to a URL shortener, which is this tiny URL. Just paste your link over here, Control V, and just make it a tiny URL. Okay, now we have got the tiny URL over here. You just have to copy this to your clipboard. Okay, this link is copied. Okay, now that's it, you are done. Okay, first step is completed. This is the first step, get your affiliate link. Now I'll be showing you 4 places where you can post your affiliate link and how you will post your affiliate link. So first is you can go to Facebook. Okay, now you just have to go to some of the groups. Okay, just you go to Facebook. Okay, we went to Facebook. You just search here make money online, and you can see there are many of the groups available here which you can join. Okay, if you haven't joined any of the groups, just click request joining and you can join such groups. Okay, now you just click on such groups, and here you can see there are many of the posts. Okay, here make this profit money. Okay, 500 to $5,400 in an hour. Now what you have to do is you just have to create a post here. For example, I will show you how you can practically earn $100 a day. Don't write it $1,000 a day or $2,000 a day, because people will consider that it's a spam and it's not possible. Okay, just make it realistic. People know that $100 a day is possible, but if you write this make $2,000 $3,000 a day, then people find it a bit spammy. Okay, just do it, and then here you have to write just DM. Okay, a day, and then you just have to write here comment down and I will provide you with info. That's it. The post is written. Don't give your affiliate link in this post, or else your link may not be accepted here on the group. Okay, now you just have to post this link. After you post this link, you will be ready for that. Okay, so the link is here. When someone comments on it, what I will be doing is I will just go to his profile and just message him the affiliate link which I have. Okay, so now if anyone is interested in this, they will just comment here and say yes, I am interested, and I will just go to their profile and message them with my affiliate link which I have got from here. So this is the affiliate link, and now I will just message them and I will give them the link. Okay, and when they click on the link, I will and buy the product, I will receive a commission. And that's it. That's how simple it is. You just have to join some of the Facebook groups and write this type of posts, and whenever someone comments on your post, you just have to DM them and just get your affiliate links to them, so that if they click there and watch till the end, watch the webinar, and they click purchase the product, then you receive a great amount of commission. So this is the first step. So boom, you have completed your first step to making money online. Okay, now whenever someone DMs you, just give them your affiliate link, and that's it. It's ready for you. Just they will comment here and just DM them your affiliate link, and that's it. First method completed. You posted out your affiliate link. Okay, now we will go to next method. Next method is Quora. Okay, so you can just go to this website Quora. If you don't have an account, just create an account. You can sign in here with your Gmail ID. Now just here you just have to search here like make money. Okay, just you search here make money. Okay, more. Oh, for example, and okay, here's the topic. Just see there is a topic. Okay, just click on this topic, making money online. Okay, just click on this topic. Now you will see that there are many of this available. You just click on here on the answer icon. See, this is the answer icon. Now there are so many questions asked over here. See, what are the top 5 ways of making money online in 2019? Okay, so no one has answered this question. Okay, definitely now you just have to go here and write it down that there are many ways to make money online. Okay, now just click enter, like affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, okay, just you have to do this, and now just go and if you are interested in affiliate marketing, I recommend this opportunity. OPPERTUNITY. And what you have to do is just get your affiliate link and just go over here, click on this link icon, and just press Ctrl V, and you are ready. Okay, now you just have to submit your answer, and that's it, done. Your answer is given. Okay, your link is out. Now whenever this person who is searching for make money online way, he will check this answer, and if he clicks on that link and buys the product, then you will receive this amount of commission. Okay, just keep in mind this amount of commission if he is interested in that product. So this is the first method, you got your link out on Facebook. The second method, you got your link out on Quora. Okay, now you just have to there are thousands of questions on this, you just have to keep answering as many as you can, and then you will day by day you will start receiving commission. The third method which you will can use over here is like for example make money, which is YouTube. This is one of my channel. Okay, so you can also check out this channel. uh, so here you can just see so many videos related to make money on. Okay, so you just have to create such type of videos, and you can also give your affiliate links in the description by using YouTube. Okay, after that, Pinterest. So what is Pinterest? Pinterest is a website where you can show this type of boards. Okay, now here you can just click make money, make money. Okay, okay, make money online. Okay, just click it here. All you have to do is create a Pinterest account and make this type of okay, this type of graphics. And where you can make this type of graphics, I suggest you a tool which is known as Canva. Just type in Google called Canva. Okay, Canva. Okay, just when you type in Canva, and you just have to go to Canva and then just click on design Pinterest graphics, and that's it. You can design all this type of graphics using Canva. Okay, it's very easy, not at all difficult, and you can easily do it. There is no rocket science in it. Just anyone can use Canva. And just here you just go here, and here just you just type is what can we say, Pinterest graphic. Okay, you just type in Pinterest graphic and just click here, and just now you are ready for making a Pinterest graphic. Just drag and drop whatever you want, if you want text, just drag and drop it here. If you want some photos, just drag and drop it here. You can use ready-made templates which you can edit, for example this template, and now you can write it whatever you want to write here. You can edit all these things over here, and then just press the download button, and you are ready for posting it on Pinterest. And that's it, that's simple. And you can just start receiving traffic from Pinterest, because all this Pinterest traffic, when you post in a new offer on new graphic on Pinterest, you get opportunity to what can we say, that paste your affiliate link. Okay, so that's it. So that's very simple. All you just go and here go to Pinterest, click on your profile, and just go to pins, or you just click here plus button, and here you just have to go and create pin. Just go and create pin, upload whatever pin you want to go here, right here description, and as a destination link provide your affiliate link. Okay, so that's our affiliate link. So here we got our affiliate link of super affiliate system. What we are gonna do is just get that affiliate link. Don't paste the shortened link on Pinterest, because it does not accept shortened links. So you just copy this raw link and just go and paste it here as a destination link, and then just let it go. I have not created a Pinterest graphic, so I'm not gonna upload it for now, but you just have to do this, upload a graphic. Just go and give it a title, some of the names, and just give your affiliate link over here, and that's it. Your link is out on 3 platforms. First is Facebook, second is Quora, third is Pinterest. Now I'll be showing you one more platform where okay, so 3 platforms are done. Fourth platform is okay, though all these platforms are almost done. Facebook is done, Quora is done, and Pinterest is done. So all these 3 are the main platforms where you can post your affiliate links and get started and get sales during your affiliate marketing. So this is a great method for beginners, and if you are interested in more stuff related to affiliate marketing, then I just suggest you to subscribe to my channel Moneymaker 001, because I'll be posting content here every single day about make money online, affiliate marketing, as well as online business. So if you just like my content, then do press the like button and do share my video if you want to. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy and stay subscribed to this channel.